Nigori is cloudy sake made by coarsely straining the malami. And kase nigori, kase means active, is a non-pasturous nigori, which means that the live yeast continues to ferment in the bottle. The carbon dioxide gas produced by the fermentation is dissolved in the sake and becomes sparkling sake. Step 1. Strain coarsely with a strainer. You can also use the coarse cloth here. On our website, I've introduced pressing method, which is also possible in home brewing, such as fukuro shibori and shone. But here, I would like to introduce a pressing arrangement that can be enjoyed because it's home brewing. Gently mix the malami by scooping it up from the bottom with a spoon. Be careful not to clean up the lice. By the way, although it is often misunderstood, but Nigori is not unfiltered sake. Under the liquor tax law in Japan, to be called sake, it must be pressed. In other words, it must undergo a solid liquid circulation process. Thus, Nigori also undergoes a log straining process. The term unfiltered, muroka, on sake labels means that the sake has not been filtered with active charcoal, a method used to remove a certain color or aroma after the sake has been pressed. Step 2. Strain twice to make it even smoother. Another way to make it even smoother is to put it in a blender. Continue to step 3.